For many people, retirement isn't just a financial decision, it's an emotional one. I've spoken with people who have done everything right, worked hard, saved consistently, and still feel unsure about the future. That feeling is more common than most people realize. And it doesn't mean you failed, it just means the decisions ahead matter. The conversations that bring the most peace of mind usually start with simple clarity, understanding where you are today, what choices you've made, and what a steady path forward looks like. Because real confidence in retirement doesn't come from rushing decisions. It comes from thoughtful planning and trusted guidance over time. And when people have that, the future starts to feel a lot more secure.